Hi everyone. As you may know, the Brothers Sewing Machine range features a start-stop button allowing you to sew with or without the foot controller. But did you know that while sewing you can hold in the start-stop button to slow down for certain areas of your project? Today I am demonstrating on the Brother A150, which also features a reinforcement stitch button which sews a single stitch repeatedly and ties it off. For character or decorative stitches, press this button to end with a full stitch instead of at a midpoint. The LED beside the button automatically lights up while the stitch is being sewn and goes off when the sewing is finished. For more information on the Brother A16 and A150 sewing machine promotion, the product brochures, or to locate and contact your closest dealer, simply visit www.runco.co.za.